Genbook Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the Genbook Booking Platform. If you're interested in trying it out, we've included helpful links in the description below. Genbook is a robust online scheduling tool designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and service professionals like hairstylists, therapists, and fitness instructors. Its primary goal is to simplify the appointment booking process for both businesses and their customers, and after testing it extensively, here's what we found. One standout feature is its user-friendly interface. Setting up your account is quick and intuitive. You can customize your booking page to reflect your brand, adding your logo, service descriptions, and even links to policies or FAQs. Customers can book directly from your website, social media profiles, or the Genbook app, providing seamless accessibility. The calendar functionality is a major strength. You can view and manage appointments across multiple team members, sync with external calendars like Google Calendar, and set buffer times between appointments to avoid overlap. Notifications and reminders are sent automatically to both you and your clients, reducing no-shows significantly. Genbook also offers powerful customer management tools. It saves client information like past appointments, preferences, and even notes you add. This is particularly helpful for personalizing your services and building customer loyalty. For business owners who rely on reviews to attract clients, Genbook integrates with Google and allows customers to leave verified reviews directly through the platform. These reviews are displayed on your booking page, which helps to build trust with potential clients. Additionally, the platform includes payment integration, letting customers pay upfront or after the service. This feature supports various payment gateways and simplifies financial management with built-in reporting tools to track revenue, appointments, and customer trends. Genbook is tailored for businesses aiming to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and grow their online presence. While the pricing may not suit everyone, its value is undeniable for those in the service industry. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed scheduling solution, Genbook is worth considering. Check the links below to explore it further.